Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. In this video, we will discuss how can you download and install iOS 26 developer beta in your iPhone or iPad. So simply guys, you can do it very easily. So you may check iOS 26 developer beta is showing here. So if it's not showing or not update is not available in your iPhone or iPad, how can you do it? We can do it very easily. So simply first of all guys, you may just go back and first of all you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After that, here's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on general and click here on software update. Then here you may see that here the option of beta update, so you may turn on beta updates and turn on developer beta and download and install iOS 26 from here. So if it's not showing, then guys, you may go back and you may just open your app store, and in search bar you may write here Apple developer, and you may download Apple developer app from here. So you may check. After that, you may click here and click here on account and click here on sign in, and you may enroll your device from here. After that, you may go back and you may open any browser, and in search bar you may write here beta profiles.dev, and then guys, you may install iOS 26 beta profile from here. So you may check, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of developer beta, and you may install profile from here. Then guys, you may go back and you may just install that profile in settings, and then you may restart your device and you will check this update will be shown here. So by this method you can download and install iOS 26 beta in your iPhone or iPad easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.